All right, we're going to have a real quickie lesson here. So, what we're going to do is we're talking about arpeggios today. Basically, when you hear people play stuff like this, they're just picking out each note of a chord. So, I've got a couple chords up there, I think, on the what I'm going to make on the thumbnail. There's going to be some chords, and they're basic chords that you already know. We hope you know. And so, this is basically the beginning of Falls Away. So it's an A minor, and I just arpeggio it basically. Here, if I get this in the, I'm moving the wrong way here. I'll figure out where I need to be. Oh, that's the wrong way. There we go. Alrighty, here we go. So it's basically just picking each note and then coming back up. Now, I did find out something because I'm not very technical about this stuff. This is not even a chord, really. I just basically placed my finger there on the B string, 3rd fret. But there's actually a chord called a D suspended second, I guess, 2, D suspended, D sus2. And you want to play that just to make it sound a little fuller, you could. And it doesn't make a difference. And then the last chord in that whole progression is a D, your normal D chord. So it sounds like this, and we'll play it first the original way, which is with that chord that isn't really a chord, and then we'll play it with the D sus2. Okay? So here's how it goes. There's my dog. Shut up, Zeus. All right, here we go. You notice I added that little hammer on right there. Sorry about the dog. He won't shut up. Anyways, let's try it the other way. Zeus! Knock it off. All right, here we go. It gives it a little fuller tone if you add a D sus2. And that's your little introduction to little arpeggios there. They're really cool to do. You can make some really cool songs out of them. I made Falls Away, just starting off with that, and basically I was just messing around one day, and I came up with this. And that last go around there was the one with the added finger there. So let's go over the chords one more time, just so you get them down in your head. They're easy shapes to do. You should be able to have these. Look at this thing sitting right. Everything's reversed here. So your A minor, in case you don't know, your index finger, finger 1 goes there on the 1st fret. Then you have on the B string. Then you have your 3rd finger there on the G string, 2nd fret, and you have your middle finger there on the 3rd string of the D. That's your A minor chord. Now, this one here is an E 7th, please, E minor 7th. Just one finger there. The chord that doesn't exist, or I couldn't find it. If you guys find it, you get a bonus. Leave me the chord diagram. I could not find it this morning in a hurry. The D sus2 is you just add your index right there on the D string, 2nd fret. But I play it like this because I play stuff that doesn't exist. And then you got your regular D, and then you just hammer on your pinky right there, which is done in a lot of songs right there. All right, so that's a real quick arpeggio lesson this morning. And we'll get this up on the YouTube channel.